Summer season has started. We all crave to eat something cool. So today I am here with dessert recipe. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make tasty and easy fruit custard recipe. So without wasting time, let's start the video and check out the recipe. Here I have taken custard powder, which is vanilla flavor. From this I am going to take 2 tablespoons of custard powder in a bowl, and we will keep it aside. Next we'll see what to do. Take a pan, add 500 ml of milk. From this measurement 4 members can have. Now we will boil the milk on medium flame. When the milk is lukewarm, take 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk and add it to custard powder to make custard slurry. Mix well and make sure there is no lumps. If you add hot or cold milk to the custard powder, you will get lumps. That's why we need to add warm milk so that you will get smooth and lumps free custard slurry. I will keep it aside. Let the milk come to the boil. Once the milk is boiled, add 1/3 cup of sugar. If you want more sweet, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar more. Mix well. Now I am going to add custard slurry to it. While adding, stir it and continuously stir. Slowly it will start to become thick. When it will come to this consistency, turn off the gas flame. If you get lumps in this custard, you can strain to get smooth creamy texture. Now we will transfer it to another bowl and let it cool down completely in room temperature. To do quick, you can place a large vessel, add some water so that you can cool it quickly. Stir in between to avoid thick layer on top. After cool down, we will add fruits to it. You can add any fruit of your choice. Here I have used bananas, apple and pomegranate. You can also use grapes. Mix well and let it be in refrigerator for 30 minutes or 1 hour to get the chilled fruit custard. After 1 or 2 hours, it will ready to serve. You can also add some dry fruits if you want. I like to have dry fruits with the custard, so I have added dry fruits to it. If you like this recipe, please give a like, share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you all in my next recipe.